I'm in so much trouble because Borghese just gifted me their Crema Saponetta cleanser, and my facial cleanser is one of the cheapest parts of my skincare routine, and I might have to switch as this is fantastic. It is just the most incredible, almost cream-like cleanser that rubs in almost like a really luxuriant moisturizer, but if you add water, which let me get, it gives the most mild yet really inviting sudsing. It feels like a spa experience every time I use this. I've only used it a few times and it is so spoiling. It has a really nice, I can't even place it, smell. It almost smells a little bit closer to a clay, maybe a little rose smell, really lovely. And then it just has so many incredible ingredients in it, like hyaluronic acid, sea salt, chamomile, and geranium. And as I read those ingredients, I realize what I'm really smelling is that geranium. It's just lovely. And then once you rinse it off, my skin feels slightly hydrated, definitely clarified, ready for the next layer in my routine. Now, this is specifically designed to help with enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, and texture. And I gotta tell you, as a woman in her mid-40s, that is exactly what I want out of a cleanser. So far, I've been using a very simple, lovely lotion-based cleanser, but it's nothing fancy. This is definitely designed to remove all the makeup, debris, impurities from the day or while sleeping, and leave your skin nourished and ready for the layers of whatever your skincare routine is, whether it's just simple moisturizer, maybe sunscreen in the morning, or something more intensive. This is there for you. I am so impressed. This is so dangerous. I am definitely going to be using this all the way and then strongly debating whether I want to get more. And I really hope this video helps you make a decision. I think this is worth checking out. The Borghese Crema Saponetta. I may be saying that wrong, but this company has been around for 65 years. They know how to make incredible skincare, and I think you're gonna love this.